in 5, 4, 3, 2. You ready? You ready? Bonjour, it's the next day and we are heading out for the morning. We've got a full day of fun activities planned. We are about to get a car and I think the first stop is going to be the Eiffel Tower, and we're going to just like do a little video footage around there and a few other places. I'll leave it a surprise so you guys can see soon. And then after that we have a croissant baking class scheduled, so I can't wait for that, and I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. So yeah, we're gonna wait for our car, and I have my cute little French beret so I can feel like a real French girl. Psych, I have not seen one French person wear a beret. All right, I will check back in later. Bye. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, let's turn you around. There's Nicole. It's so cute. You want to do the TikTok now? You want to do the TikTok? This is like such a good angle. Okay. We are now on the Champs-Élysées and I'm about to head to the Arc de Triomphe. But, yeah. It's nice outside, you guys. It's a little windy, but not too crazy. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay, let me flip you guys. We're going to be going to the Paris Pandora soon, and I know that they have an Arc de Triomphe dangle charm, and it's usually sold out, and I hope they have it. I want it so bad. That would be so cool. That is the Arc de Triomphe, and it looks beautiful and huge in person. Yeah. So. And actually, the Louis Vuitton store is down the street, but we're not going to get our hot stamp just yet because they're not open, and also our cooking class starts at 10 a.m., so we have to get there. So we're going to head there, and then I'll be back. Bye! Notre-Dame, the church. There was a fire, I understand. It looks beautiful on the outside, so there's a lot of tourists around. I'm gonna do my best to get you guys a great capture. Yeah. Stunning. Stunning. I don't know where the fire damage was, maybe inside, but it looks beautiful. Bonjour, mes amis. So we just came from the croissant baking class, and so now I'm at the Louis Vuitton, except for there's a long line, and so I'm not sure if this is going to be realistic to get our passport stamped, but I'll wait in line as long as I'm able to, and after that, I guess I'll move on, but yeah. So it's pretty, the outside of the store. It's similar to the New York City flagship store in that, you know how we have like the stacked luggage on Fifth Avenue? Theirs is like a big suitcase. It's kind of hard to show you guys unless I'm taking video from far away, so I'm probably not going to be able to do that. My hat's so cute, my beret. Excuse me. Now at the Louvre, and that's what we're going to be doing next. And we actually have an appointment, and we're running a few minutes behind because we just came from the Louis Vuitton, where, by the way, we were able to move ahead in the line because that line was for shopping, and so we did pick up the stamps that we wanted. It is going to be 48 hours, so I will get it before I leave Paris in a couple of days. And yeah, so now we are going to go inside the Louvre so I can see the exhibits, especially the Mona Lisa, and yeah, that's the one that Americans know about, but I know there's so much more, so I'll be exploring that. And I don't know if I can have this camera in there, but I know I've seen on TikTok people have their phone, so yeah, maybe I'll be able to get a little bit, capture a little bit on my phone. So, all right, see you inside. Inside, it's informal. Nobody cares about a DJI. Several people have cameras, and so yeah, I'm about to get an informational brochure so I can look at the different exhibits and decide what I want to see. So that's what I'm about to do. Thank you. It says it was in the English slot, however, that does not appear to be English. Oh, there we go, the red. Yeah, thank you. Okay, perfect.
It's about the things that we're seeing. So that way we just, I don't know what I'm looking at for sure. And the Winged Victory. Those are the two most, in my opinion, the things I'm really excited about seeing.
device. I'll show you. And in my headphones, it's going to basically give me commentary on all of the exhibits that I go to, so that I can it's kind of like having a personal museum tour guide with you. So this is really awesome to have if you ever want.
Smells so good. Delicious. Oh, so good. So good. Très bien.
Merci. Bon appétit.
Merci. Très bien. All right, so you're going to try some escargot. So this is what you use to pick up. So this is like seafood. It's a shellfish, or it's a shell food. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna pick this up. Give me your plate. Great. And you use this little fork to take out the meat of the shelling. Cheers to Paris and happy birthday, Aki. I definitely needed some food. I'm so hungry.